Okay. Yep. Alright, my laundry's about to finish, so I just have to fold a few sheets, and then I'll be right to it. Okay, great. This is to help me not touch the floor, okay? One corner. The rest of it's still in the dryer. Let's find the other corner. Two corners become one corner. So I take my one mitten and I pull the rest of it out of the dryer and look, and it's not touching the floor. I'll meet my other two corners. They should already be somewhat aligned. Let's put these two edges together. Now all of our elastic is on the same side. Look. We have our square, we fold over, we even up, and then we go down, okay? But the idea is that every fitted sheet has four sides, and there's an elastic waistband. So you travel around the inside of this elastic waistband, and you find all four sides, and then you meet them together. And then it'll turn into a square. One pair, one pair. This, now we got one square.